Hi teacher, my name is Indy Vargas. Okay, continue in the video. Um, in my opinion, this metaphor by Picasso says that art have the power to cleanse or purify the soul of the impurities and worries of daily life. And Sully's history have emphasis on Picasso's metaphor that sagas that art have the power to cleanse the soul of the impurities accumulated in everyday life. These impurities emphasize worry, stress, and monotonous routines. In your case, through music, you cleanse that stress that consumes your soul to the hate and the heavy work environment. Your attitude toward your colleague was correct because you did not allow often that does that cover your soul. Um, Surely I can give you three pieces of advice. Number one, you can implement more art, the music, and dance your life as the cure for your soul. And this number two, don't leave your essence below be the action of the other. And this is for finally, this metaphor teaches my that life is easier with art. Is that my video? Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.